Hi everyone! Finally, LEGO is releasing a Minecraft Advent Calendar set, and I'm so excited about it. Unfortunately, it will only be available closer to Christmas, so we still have a few months to wait. But there's something in this set that really caught my eye. These two builds. That got me thinking, why not try building them now? And while we're at it, why not create other Minecraft characters in microscale? That would be awesome. As you may know, microscale Minecraft characters from the first ever LEGO Minecraft set series were 6 to 7 plates tall, like this. Meanwhile, the more recent micro characters from the crafting table set are only 3 plates tall. Since I typically build micro characters in my videos at 5 plates tall, I'll be following that approach in this video. So here we go. These designs are simple, easy to build, and perfect for playing or even making stop-motion animations. If you create a stop-motion inspired by this, tag me. I'd love to see what you come up with. Let me know in the comments if there's another Minecraft character you'd like me to build in micro scale. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I post new LEGO tutorials. So, without further ado, enjoy the tutorial, enjoy the build, and thank you for watching. Wait.
Huh?
And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.